All right, guys, what's going on? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. I'm working on a 2020 Expedition, and you can see the engine oil maintenance light is on. And I'm going to show you how to reset that. It's really pretty simple. See where that word says OK? Come over here to your steering wheel. You're going to hit OK. And you're going to use these functions here to navigate through the menu. We're going to go over to where it says Vehicle Information. Then we're going to go up to Engine Information, and we're going to hit OK. And if you look at it, it says the oil is at 5%. Well, I just changed the oil, so if I press and hold OK, watch what happens. Oil is at 100%. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Catch you later.